Hey everyone, hope you are well and welcome back on the second session for the financial service cloud, right? So in this video we are going to talk about how can we started with the financial service cloud. Okay, so what are the steps, what the configuration we should have in this org, right? So first of all we need to create 30 days trial org provided by the Salesforce link. Let me just show you. Definitely I will provide this link in this video's description for you, right? So just fill up this form and you should get an email in your email inbox, and you can obviously you can verify from your email inbox, and you will get your new 30 days trial out, right? So okay, so I am already created this org. Okay, so let's start this. So first of all, we need. Okay, let's talk with some example first, right? So that you could you understand better. Okay, more better. Okay, so just an example, we are going to talk about to follow the wealth advisor Rayan and a personal banker Hung Barton, right? So our advisor, obviously Rayan, wants to get a 30-degree view of his customers to act as a great advisor, so he can help them to achieve their financial goal, right? And our banker Hank Burton wants to have full insights into his customers portfolio and their financial situation, and wants to be able to capture important customer conversation, right? So and Hunk, suppose Hunk also wants to monitor the customer in partner referral that come in, right? So in this learning all, the user, and let me just show you. So go to setup from here, and right here users, click on users. You should see here, yeah, you should see here Rayan, right? Our wealth advisor, and Hung Button, our personal bank personal banker, right? So before we get started with this configuration, let's take a tour in this org and verify the app are installed correctly or not with some proper license, right? So right here, oops, right here information, and click on company information. Okay, so review all of these, right? All of review the user license what we have in this org, right? and also review the permission set licenses, right? So if I am go to the list, we should have the license for financial service cloud, right? So let's take a look. Okay, so if if you see, here is a financial service cloud basics, right? Financial service cloud EU, OZAD, extensions, foundations, standard, community, or whatever, you should have these permission sets in this trial org, right? And okay, you should have here like uh, digital insurance, right? Digital insurance product administration, okay, product administration for runtime, right? And you should have action plan, so make sure all of this here. Okay, business rules in engine advice, advanced designer, okay, engine designer for runtime or whatever. And you should also have uh, agent force, right? Okay, so the agent force also you should have in this org, right? So you should have all of these permissions at least this permission what I have described earlier right now, right? Okay, let's have a look for users. Oops. Users profile permissions for financial service cloud personal banker, right? So click on hunk button user. Let's see what the permission sets assigned to this user, right? So okay, so as we can see here, the financial service cloud insurance, document checklist, action plan, right? So all of these permissions are assigned to this user, and uh, look, uh, if we look into the for the Rayan, yes, this user also have this permission sets. Okay, now let's go to the profile. Okay, so profile defines how users access objects and data and what they can do within the application, right? When you create users, you assign a profile to each one. Okay, let's review the financial service related profile and that are already in this org, or what object permission are assigned to these profiles. Okay, so so let me just open one from this. Okay, so you have lots of profile, right? Like advisor. Okay, and you should have here uh, personal banker, right? And a relationship manager and associate banker with, let me just, okay, and associate banker and several here are several financial service cloud specific profiles, right? So in the profile user interface, you can see, for examples, assigned apps, right? And object setting. Let me just open one. Okay, so from here you can see some examples of assigned app, assigned connected app, object setting, app permission, Apex classes or whatever, right? So the assigned app pages shows which apps are visible to users with the selected profile, okay? And the default app appears when users log in to the first time, right? Every profile must have at least one visible app except for profile associated with the customer portal user because the app are not available for them. Okay, so so uh, this is all about the profiles. Okay, let me just go back and okay, so this is all the the basic configuration for how we should start for the financial service cloud, right? So we are discussed about the users uh, okay, the users permission sets, what we have the permission license in this org, right? The profile for the assigned app with the profiles, right? So all of these concepts we are discussed in this video, right? So you should so make sure you should have all of this basic configuration in your org, right? So hope this will help you, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.